Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a difficult task that you completed at work or study that you felt proud of. You should say what the task was, how you completed it, why the task was difficult, and why you were proud of the completion of the task. Alright, so before we jump onto a sample answer that I have created, let's brainstorm a few ideas together. So, if you're talking about something that you did during studies, you can talk about some kind of competition that you took part in, maybe like dancing competition or maybe racing. If you are not good at sports, you still try to learn it, or something related to work. If you want to talk about, you can talk about any kind of project that was actually a proud moment for you. Alright, so let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Challenges are essential in our lives as they motivate us to outperform ourselves and achieve more in life. And today, I would like to talk about a fundraising campaign for women empowerment and education that I had organized as part of my work. So instead of repeating the word that was in the question or instead of saying difficulty, we used challenges. Outperform means to perform better. Now, for those of you who do not know what fundraising means collecting funds for something. Women empowerment means making them stronger, making their presence felt, equal rights for women. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that when I was working for a non governmental organization, one of the most daunting projects that I accomplished was collecting funds to support higher studies of girls and advocate gender equality. So, daunting is another synonym for saying difficult. So, we did not repeat the word that was in the question and used a better vocabulary word. And all of these will enhance our band scores for a lexical resources part later on. Also, advocate means to propagate or to spread the idea. Gender equality means equal rights for both men and women, treating women equally or at par with men, not discriminating against women. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, it was a difficult project to work on as I was facing a lot of issues in finding and selecting institutions who would be willing to support the noble cause of educating women. However, I browsed the internet and gathered information regarding the firms in my city, as well as connected and attended meetings with potential groups to explain the motive of my project. So, motive means aim or objective of the project. Moreover, I also approached the city council, who in turn assisted me with contacts of some prospective clients, and with my hard work and sheer dedication, I was able to gather few corporations which were willing to invest in my project. So, as you all can see, we have used a lot of synonyms for companies like firms, corporations, groups, institutions. So, you can add all of these to your vocabulary list, and next time when you are practicing speaking, you can also use it in your conversation. So, as you all can see, we have given a very good elaboration for the second and third questions, which is how you completed it and why the task was difficult. The last question, which is why you were proud of the completion of the task, still remains. So, let's answer that. Finally, I was on cloud 9 as the project, which seemed to be impossible in the beginning, turned out to be a huge success, and I felt proud of myself as I was able to contribute to a great cause of women upliftment in society and removal of associated gender bias. So we have also used an idiom here, if you notice, which is was on cloud 9, which means to be extremely happy. Upliftment again means to support or to make something better. And gender bias is another way of saying gender inequality. So we are supporting gender equality, equal rights for both men and women. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.